Hi guys, this is Kritika from Ulnai Urudisai. How are you all? I hope that you all good and stay fit. Okay, sorry for long delay due to my personal work to upload the videos. Today I am doing the workout about the glutes. Glutes, first of all must do the glutes workout, which is the strongest and largest parts of your body. There are three types of glutes in your body, at your glutes. The first one is gluteus minimum, second one is gluteus medius, and third one is gluteus maximus. These three parts comprise together and form as a team to stabilize your pelvis part and also to maintain your proper movements in your hip. So in this video I have included a few workouts which is effective for you to prevent back pain and also support your hip muscles. So glutes workout is necessary for everybody to maintain your everyday task easier. You can easily lift anything, squat anything, and also climbing up stairs. So you can get benefit while doing these glutes workouts. So in this workout, so I have included warm up. Second thing is main workout. Finally we are going to cool down. So all the thing is based on glutes workout. Okay, now let's get started the video. First exercise is jog in place. Just slowly we are warming our body. Run nicely in your place. Just stretch your knee muscles towards your back. Run nicely. Second warm up is hip opener. Just twist your waist using your leg front and back. Twice, each leg must done to be like twice times. Front, back. Next, toe touch kicks. Bring your legs towards your chest. Make sure your leg must be straight while you touch your toes. This exercise works your glutes, your upper body, your abs. Deadlift. Just bend nicely towards the floor. Give a stretch at your glutes. Squeeze your glutes towards reaching the floor. Next, single leg deadlift. Just balance your torso using a single leg so that you can improve your strength and stability of your body. Stretch nicely. Be balance yourself. Next, the basic squats. Give a nice deep squats. Each and every time give a nice deep squats. Then forward lunges. Just dip your body and reaching your knees must touch towards the floor. Side lunges. Make a whole body bend towards one side. Stretch your knees side by side. Make a whole body push to one side. Next, fly jacks. Make sure your shoulder must be straight. Similar to jumping jacks. Reach front and back of your shoulders. Your hands must reach. Now done. Now let's go to main workout. We are ready for the main workouts. The first exercise is slow burpee. Step your feet back in towards your chest until you're in low squat position with your hands on the ground. Push off the ground with your hands slowly and rise up to the standing position again. You should finish the exercise in the same position until your timing, or you can repeat each exercise like 12 repetitions. Now let's get into the second cardio workout. Now stand on your hands and knees, place your shoulder above your hands and your hip above your knees. Lift your left leg away from your body at a 45-degree angle. Keep your knee at 90 degrees of your body. Give a nice raise. It works towards your glutes, and also give pulse for last 10 seconds so that you can feel your pulse at your glutes. Now let's try to opposite side. Right side of your leg. The same procedure can be done as per your left leg. Now let's start doing. Just give a nice raise to your glutes and your legs. It works towards your inner thigh, your hamstring muscles and your glutes getting stronger while doing this exercise. You feel a pain at your glutes, but don't lift. Keep going on. You know your legs are burning, your glutes are burning. Now give a pulse. From this pulse you can know your muscles are burning. Okay, done. Next we go for swinging bridge. Just press your hip up. Make sure your whole body is supported with the help of knee. Just squeeze to one side and squeeze to other side. It's not a bridge, just give a swinging towards the other side, one side and to other side. Just swing your glutes. Right, left. Done. Next we go for donkey kicks. Just place your hands on the mat. Just kick your left leg towards your behind of up. Just give a nice kick towards your back so that you can feel your glutes are burning. Squeeze your butt nicely. Now let's change to opposite side. Just squeeze your butt towards up. Just kick nicely towards your back so that you can feel your glutes were burning. It will give well strengthened for your glute muscles, hamstring muscles too. Now come back to the standing position. This exercise is closed leg squats. Just 2 side step squats, 2 side step squats. Do this repetition until 12 times. Side step squats. Make sure don't stand in full position. Just half squats, tap, squats, tap, squats. Now let's have a rest. Now come back to the mat. Up and cross over knee lift, just as per the same donkey kicks, but you are bringing your glutes and legs towards your cross of your body. Up, cross of your other leg, bring your legs up, cross of your other leg towards other side. Give a nice stretch at your glutes. Your glutes are working, that your core muscles at your glutes working properly. You can have a stretch if you feel any pain. Now let's change to opposite side. The same procedure. Cross, raise up your leg, cross the knee, raise up your leg, cross knee, raise up, cross knee. So you can feel your glutes were twisting and squeezing towards the opposite side. You feel at your butt. Really very good strength and exercise, because you're working with your hamstring, glute muscles. Done. Break. Be relax yourself during the break, or make a pass if you want to take a rest. Next, abductor squats. Make sure you must be in a half squats and bring your leg open, close, but don't try to be in a standing position. Keep going on your half squats. Open, close, open, close, open, close, so that your legs are burning. You can feel your legs are burning during the squats position. Your butts are twisting. Then we go for bridge leg, lift leg. Make sure your body must be on the mat. Raise up your left leg, be in a straight position, be in a constant position. Just lift your back glutes, your whole weight to be in the glutes. Just push up your glutes up towards with the straight leg. Now let's have a rest. Just shift to opposite side, opposite leg. Now right leg comes up. Your left leg is balancing your body. Just give a pulse using your glutes. Down, up, down, up, down, up. You can get relief from your back pain if you're doing this exercise. Just press up nicely. Done. Next we go for squeeze squats. Just deep squats, then up. Bring your hands up. Lift your leg back. Give a nice squeeze at your back and then lift your leg at back. Nice deep squats, back. Lift your leg back. Do this repetitions alternatively. During each squats, you must bring your leg at back. Now rest. Next we go for back bow push-up. Come back to the mat. Just give a back bow. Your legs are straight with feet touching. Then push up your hip down into the floor and lift your long arms and legs up away from the floor. Keep your arms and legs outstretched. Just squeeze your butt. Next we go for lunge squat left. Just make your left leg to be pulse. Just give a pulse at the lunge squat. Each and every time you must give a nice pulse using your left leg. Make sure your torso must be straight. Keep going on. You can know your pulse at your leg. Now let's change to opposite side. Your right leg, now it turns to your right leg to be pulse. Give a pulse to your right leg and come back to the position, stand position. Just bend nicely. Your front leg must bend nicely. Give a nice pulse to your leg. It's good for your inner thigh, outer thigh and hamstring muscles at your thigh. Rest. Now let's move on to the last workout, that is Superman. Just lie on the floor, fly like a Superman. Just balance your body using your glutes. Give a nice squeeze at your back and raise your body. Well, raise your hands and leg. Squeeze your hands and leg. Using your torso, you must be balanced. Now let's go for cool down stretch to relax. Slowly now we are moving down to cool down. The first one is warrior pose. Make sure your hands must be in a T position. Your right leg bend slightly. Your left leg must be in a straight. Give a nice stretch at your thigh, inner thigh and outer thigh. Now move your body, upper body towards the other side. Balance your elbow using the knee. Twist your hip. Give a nice stretch to your hip and glutes. Now let's go for low lunge. Give a nice stretch at your glutes so that you can feel your glutes contract well, stretch well. The same thing can be done other side. Now Lift your elbow, balance your body, just stretch towards your hip and glutes. Bend nicely, reach your hand upright, straight. Now low lunges. Just bend, try to bend nicely. Make sure your leg must be straight, don't bend your leg. Give a nice stretch at your glutes. Now we are going for calf stretch, almost like plank position. Balance your whole body using your hand and toe. Finally, we are going for child pose. Okay guys, these are the workouts I have followed past few weeks. Glutes workout, definitely you will see the result. So please, if you have any queries, please comment under my videos. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for you. Bye bye.